What's going on, YouTube? It is your girl Queen Kimmy from Kimmy_Queen of Crafts, and I am here with some unboxing videos. So the first one here, this one is from Diamond Painting Bling Art, and then I have on the bottom, thank you for your purchase. Okay, so I'm going to cut this open off camera because ironically, they have a sticker with my address on all sides of the box. There's like 4 different stickers with my address on it. Never seen it before, but so I got 3 diamond paintings from them because they have a nice wide range of Jasmine Griffith, who I am obsessed with her artwork. And so I got 3 from them. I am going to try to join their affiliate program. Okay, so first thing, this is interesting. Doesn't come in a box. Comes like this. So here is the first one that I got. And let me grab my tablet and I can actually tell you the name of it. Sorry guys, I would have been more prepared if I'd have known it was going to come a little differently. Okay, I was looking in the box for like a purchase receipt, but there wasn't one in there, so that's okay. We'll just go with what I got. Okay, so again, this one is called White Swan by Jasmine Griffith. I'm going to do a separate video actually going over, unboxing and all that, unrolling them, showing you the painting and all that. And then I got this one. This is Dragonling 5. You can see that one. And then this one here. This one is called Pink Butterfly. A little bit of a crinkle in the bag, but hopefully you can see that. So, inside the box are also the toolkits. And then they give you this thank you card. Thank you for supporting a small business. Connect with us and leave a review. So again, those 3 are from Diamond Painting Bling Art. And then I have one more to do. And the other one I'm doing is from Craft with Shay. And that's her YouTube name. She did an unboxing, a destash. So I'm really trying to try out some different diamond painting companies due to my bad experience with Diamond Art Club. Ironically, after I left the video explaining just a little bit of the situation, they deactivated my customer account, which the only thing I was going to do, because I have a lot of reward points, I was going to redeem those points for like one last purchase and let it go. But yeah, they deactivated my account. So this one is from Dreamer Designs. Premium canvas, and this one is called Patience. And then this is another one from Dreamer Designs, and it's called Jasmine. And then also this one's bigger. Another Dreamer Designs. This one is called Miss Macaroon. And then last, but most certainly not least, Meralice and the Tea of Sea. So yeah, I'm excited to get started on this, especially now that I've found out that there are diamond paint-alongs. I really enjoy doing diamond paint-alongs because it helps me figure out what diamond painting I want to do. I do actually struggle with, okay, which diamond painting do I want to do? So when you do those diamond painting alongs, they're usually themed. And when they're themed, you're using up your diamond paintings without trying to figure out which one you want to do. So yeah, that was everything from my my purchases. The one from Diamond Painting Bling Art, and the other ones are the Destash from Craft with Shay. I will do an unboxing video on all of them except for the Diamond Art Club one. And so if you have any questions, comments, emotional outbursts, please leave them down below in the comments. I'm going to put the information in the description because I believe that all of these are still for sale on the websites I got them from. So I'll put that in the comments. And then if you like my comment, if you like my content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button. And if no one's told you they love you today, I love you. Sending you a heart.